In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload audio files to ChatGPT step by step so you can get transcripts, summaries, analysis, or help understanding what's inside your audio in just a few clicks. This is a quick and easy process, and once you know it, you can use it anytime you want to work with voice notes, recordings, interviews, meetings, or any other audio file. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or in the app. Once you're on the main screen, you'll see the chat area where you can start a new conversation. This is where you'll upload your audio file and give ChatGPT instructions on what you want it to do. Next, look for the plus icon. Depending on the version you're using, this may appear near the message box or along the bottom of the chat window. Click on that plus icon to open the upload options. This is the first step in attaching your file to ChatGPT. After that, click on Attach File. When you choose this option, your device's file picker will open. From there, you can browse through your folders and locate the audio file you want to upload. Make sure you know where the file is saved so you can find it quickly. Now select your audio file. ChatGPT supports uploading files directly, so just click on the audio file you want to use. Once selected, it will begin attaching to your chat. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. After the file is attached, the final step is to type your prompt. For example, you can enter something like "Analyze this audio file." You can also be more specific and ask ChatGPT to summarize the conversation, extract key points, identify speakers, or turn the audio into text. The more specific your prompt is, the better the response you'll get. Once your prompt is ready, send the message and wait for ChatGPT to process the audio. It will then analyze the file and respond based on your instructions. This can be extremely helpful for productivity, content creation, studying, meeting notes, and much more. And that's it. You've now learned how to upload audio files to ChatGPT in a few simple steps. Just open ChatGPT, click the plus button, attach your file, select your audio, and give it a prompt like Analyze. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.